Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with BPSC TRE2 Social Science questions held in 2023. It is based on past papers of 6 to 8 or 9 to 10 class papers of social science. If you like the video, please share. This exam was done on 8 and 9 December of 2023. So question number 1 is, who appoints the Chief Justice of India? A. President of India. B. Prime Minister. C. Cabinet. D. None. Answer is A. President of India. The President of India appoints Chief Justice of India. Second question. The first country to give women right to vote. A. USA. B. England. C. New Zealand. D. None. Answer is C. New Zealand. New Zealand was the first to give women full voting right. Question number 3. Indian National Congress was founded in A. 1998, B. 1951, C. 1980, D. None. Answer is C. 1980. Question number 4. Which factor most influence voting behavior in India? A. Caste. B. Language. C. Religion. D. More than one. Answer is D. More than one. Multiple social factors influence voting, so it cannot be assigned to one factor. Next question number 5. Indian Parliament consists of A. President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. B. Lok Sabha, President. C. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. D. None. Answer is C. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Parliament is equal to Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha plus President in practice. Legislative function is done by only Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So it is Parliament consists of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next question. Fundamental rights introduced in Indian Constitution in A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1951, D. 1952. Answer is B. 1950. Constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. Question number 7. Who was the first Governor General of India? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Lord Dalhousie. D. None. Answer is A. Lord Canning. Canning became the first viceroy in 1858 after 1857. The Quit India, next question. The Quit India movement was launched in A. 1920, B. 1930, C. 1942, D. 1947. Answer is C. 1942. Launched in August 1942. Next question. Indian National Army was led by A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. None. Answer is A. Subhash Chandra Bose, who reorganized Indian National Army. Next question. The main objective of non-cooperation movement was to A. Boycott British institutions. B. Fight with arms. C. Support British. D. None. Answer was boycott British institutions. Followers withdrew cooperation from British rule. Now questions from geography. Who are thorny forests? Where thorny forests are not found? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. None. Answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu does not have typical thorn scrub forests. Next question. Which state has the highest amount of laterite soil? A. Bihar. B. Meghalaya. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. None. Answer is B. Meghalaya. Laterite is common in Meghalaya Plateau. Next question. Malwa Plateau is mainly located in A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer is B, C. Madhya Pradesh. Malwa is a part of Madhya Pradesh. The next question. The longest river in India is A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Godavari. Answer is A. Ganga. Ganga is the longest within Indian territory. Next question. Which soil is predominant in Gangetic Plain? A. Black soil. B. Alluvial soil. C. Laterites. D. Desert soil. Answer is alluvial soil formed by the rivers. It is very fertile. Next question. The Western Ghats run along the A. East Coast. B. West Coast. C. North India. D. South India Plateau. Answer is B. West Coast. Western Ghats border west coast. Next question, which climate type is found in most of Bihar? A, desert, B, tropical monsoon, C, tundra, D, Mediterranean. Answer is Bihar has monsoon climate. Next question, the third desert is in Gujarat. A, Gujarat, B, Rajasthan, C, Punjab, D, Haryana. Answer is B, Rajasthan. Thar is in Rajasthan. Next question, the largest delta in world is A, Nile, Ganges, Brahmaputra, C, Amazon, D, Mississippi. Answer is B, Ganges, Brahmaputra. Sundarbans delta is the largest in the world. Next question, which Indian state has maximum forest cover? A, Odisha, B, Madhya Pradesh, C, Bihar, D, Assam. Answer is B, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh leads in forest area. Now some questions from economics. GDP stands for A, gross domestic product, B, general domestic product, C, gross development product, D, none. Answer is gross domestic product, that is A. Economics term is gross domestic product. Next question, inflation is A, fall in prices, B, rise in prices, C, no change, D, none. Answer is rise in prices. General price level increases, then it is called inflation. Next question, bank interest rate is paid on A, savings, B, loan, C, tax, D, none. Answer is A, savings. Banks pay interest on deposits. Next question, which sector includes farming? A, primary, B, secondary, C, tertiary, D, none. Answer is A, primary. Agriculture is a primary activity related to land. So all activities related to land is known as primary activity. Next question, budget is presented by A, President, B, Finance Minister, C, PM, D, Speaker. Answer is B, Finance Minister. Finance Minister presents Union Budget. Present Finance Minister of India is Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. GST stands for A, general sales tax, B, goods and services tax, C, government service tax, D, none. Answer is goods and services tax. It is Indian tax reform. Next question, microfinance mainly supports A, large industries, B, small businesses, C, agriculture only, D, none. So microfinance supports small businesses. Micro loans are given for small entrepreneurs. Next question, which is a renewable resource? A, coal, B, solar energy, C, petroleum, D, none. Solar energy is the renewable resource. Solar is because we get it every day. Deficit means A, more revenue, B, expenditure more than revenue, C, equal revenue, D, none. Answer is expenditure more than revenue. B, government spends when more than it earns. It is called deficit. Inflation rate is, next question, inflation rate is measured by A, CPI, B, GDP, C, PQLI, D, HDI. Inflation is measured by Consumer Price Index, that is CPI, which tracks inflation. Now some questions from polity and governance. Minimum age to become Lok Sabha member is, if it is question number 1 of polity portion. A, 25, B, 30, C, 35, D, 21. Answer is 25. Constitutional requirement of age is 21. Next question, the first president of India was A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C, Zakir Hussain, D, none. Answer is A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president. Next question, fundamental duty added in 1950, B, 1976, C, 1990, D, none. Answer is it is added by 42nd Amendment in 1976. Next question, which schedule contains languages? A, 5th, B, 8th, C, 6th, D, none. Answer is 8th. Schedule is official language. Next question, Supreme Court of India is a highest court, B, lower court, C, state court, D, none. It is the highest court. Answer is A, apex judiciary. Next question, emergency powers are in Article A 352, B 356, C 360, D none. Answer is constitutional provision, and it is mentioned in Article 352. Right to education is a next question. Right to education is A, fundamental duty, B, fundamental right, C, directive principle, D, none. Answer is B, fundamental right. RTE added as a right. Lok Sabha term is of A, 4 years, B, 5 years, C, 6 years, D, none. Constitution tenure is 5 years. Thank you.